5 strategies to drive more traffic to your Etsy store. Creating a successful Etsy shop goes beyond just having products and a nice looking online store. While having quality items at good prices is an important part of getting attention from potential customers, it's equally important to make sure that people can actually find your shop. Boosting the visibility of your Etsy store is going to be the key to attracting new customers. It'll also be the best way to ensure that your past customers keep coming back for more. The question that a lot of new Etsy shop owners have is, how do you do that? Here are 5 effective methods I would recommend for increasing traffic and making sure that your Etsy store gets noticed. 1. Use social media. Using social media is a great way to get more people to check out your Etsy store. In fact, there's no better way to connect with lots of different types of people at once. Not only that, but your customers will be able to chat with you on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, which will make the experience of purchasing something from your Etsy store more personal for them. When it comes to using social media to drive more traffic to your Etsy store, you'll want to start by figuring out who your target audience is. From there, you'll need to figure out a good posting schedule. Don't go overboard or disappear for too long, or people might not notice your posts. Get creative with your posts and interact with your customers regularly. They'll sure appreciate it. 2. Start a blog. A lot of people don't think about this, but starting a blog and blogging consistently is an excellent way to drive more traffic to your Etsy store. Not only is it a great way to establish trust with your customers, but people will be able to respond to your blog posts, which will help to build a strong sense of community. Your blog can also serve as another platform where customers can reach out to you if they don't feel comfortable doing so on social media. 3. Update your listings at least once a month. To drive even more traffic to your Etsy store, you'll want to make sure that your listings are up to date. This will involve checking your listings regularly, ideally every month, to make sure that the information about your products is still relevant. If you need to make changes, within reason, of course. This way, your listings will stay fresh and continue to attract potential customers to your shop. 4. Develop a photography style. The pictures you take of your products need to be eye-catching. Otherwise, people might overlook your Etsy shop listings. If you like, you can hire a professional photographer to take high-quality photos of your products. There are also a number of ways to take great photos from your own home, as long as you have access to good lighting and a nice backdrop. 5. Use keywords to your advantage. You're going to want to take some time to think about keywords people are going to type into the search bar when searching for your products. For example, if you sell turquoise jewelry in your Etsy shop, you'll want to use the keywords turquoise and jewelry in your product descriptions. This way, when people type in these keywords, your products will pop up right away. And there you have it. By following these strategies, you should be able to drive more traffic to your Etsy store in no time.